How can law firms in Ireland become sustainable? When we think of sustainable business, we think of manufacturing. We don't think about law firms. So perhaps we should think about law firms when we think about sustainability. Why is ESG important to law firms? Environmental looks at the impact of the business on the environment. Social looks at how the business interacts with its community. Governance relates to internal practices and policies that control the decision-making of the company. More and more people, communities and businesses are scrambling for less and less primary resources. That is why sustainability is so important in business. What is a sustainable legal practice? A sustainable legal practice will produce less paperwork, and will leave less of that paperwork in the bin at the end of a case. The practice will ensure their office is well designed to be easy on energy requirements. The running costs in terms of energy use and transport will be kept down. A good place to start would be to get an expert in to carry out a waste audit, and find out where your practice is falling down at the moment. But be careful of greenwashing. Don't just preach green. Make sure you actually implement the changes that make you more sustainable. Your clients will feel better about your firm, and your costs will come down.